My name is Bo Smith, I'm a student at Kempsey and I'm in Year 8. For the past 2 days, me and a couple of my mates have been coming down with Moses from Chicago, and we're making a song about the Freedom Riders, and Tasman will be coming in November and helping finalise and publishing the song.
My name is Moses, I'm an artist from Chicago, and I'm here with the Mohim team. Soon, opportunity opened up for me to apply my talents with my music, and we ended up having 2 writing workshops where the young people wrote and recorded some of their first hip-hop and rap lyrics.
My name is Tasman Keith, proud Gumbaynggirr man from Bowraville and here in Kempsey. I'm here as an ambassador with the Australian Literacy and Numeracy Foundation. I'm running a subtext program which we come in and out of communities to do. Basically what we've been doing for the past 5 days is starting a fresh song with these kids, having them kind of creatively express themselves and teaching them about expression through music. What they've decided to write about this week has been the Freedom Ride, and it's been beautiful to see their growth and just their journey through figuring out who they are creatively. And they've also filmed a video which has been solid to see, so it's been a good 5 days.
Hello, my name is Tanea Vale. I am president of the Junior ACG at Kempsey High School. We have been creating a song that commemorates the Freedom Ride project that Charles Perkins done in Kempsey. He came with some students from the university and protested against Aboriginal children not being allowed in the pools. We have done it through rap and singing because it's easier and catchier than to people having to listen to a full-page essay.
My name is Jacoby and I'm from Kempsey High. We're working on a music video to publish to all of yous, so make sure you listen.